All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've waited most of the summer to be able to show you one of these. This is the 175 Bh Keystone Hideout. It's probably the most impressive little travel trailer we've stocked. It sells for what you'd pay for a pop-up back in the late 90s, early 2000s when we sold Coleman. These units are spectacular. They'll accommodate a family of 4 with comfort, with all the creature comforts of home. Electric awning to enjoy the outside, LED lighting underneath it. Come on by and let's take a look at the inside of it. All right, guys. Cool part about the interior of this travel trailer is you've got dual bunks, both of them featuring LED lights so the kids can have some light to look at the books at night. You got a dinette booth here for the family. It also converts into an extra bed, so when that extra cousin wants to go, you've got a place to put them. Here in the back, a nice size full shower separate from the toilet. It's got a sink. This thing really has a little bit of everything, guys. You've got a gas electric refrigerator, a microwave, 2-burner cooktop, single stage sink here. It's got all the elements, rooftop air conditioner. You'll need that in Arkansas with our climate. Guys, we can get this to you at an affordable price. If you're looking for an RV, this is one of the most impressive values in the industry. Come see us at Moix RV in Conway.